Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In this video, I will show you how to connect Robinhood to TradingView in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView Premium, now is the time for you because a Black Friday deal is going on in which you are going to get TradingView at 80% off plus you will get 1 month free. So if you are interested in this deal, you can just check out the link in the description. Now once you are here on this page, simply click on the option of products here on the top. Now once you do this, you are going to see the chart of gold in front of you, which is going to look something like this. Now here, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now you can just scroll down a bit and then click on the option of show all brokers. Now here, simply use the search icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then when you search for Robinhood, if Robinhood is available here, it will be shown in the list. But as you can see, currently in my region, Robinhood is not available here. So it simply means that I cannot connect my Robinhood account with TradingView. But if it is available in your region, you just have to click on it, provide your Robinhood login credentials, and you just have to connect it with TradingView. So if in your region it is not available, you can just simply add it in your favorites, and whenever it is available, TradingView is going to let you know with the help of the emails. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more these types of TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching.